How's it going, everybody? Ross here with Evil Coffee, coming to you guys from my front porch. So you're likely to hear some cars driving by, some birds chirping, all that fun ambient noise stuff. It's been a hot minute since you guys heard from us, and we wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on in our world recently. We are still operating in full force. Well, actually, first off, we hope this video finds everyone who's watching it. Hope you guys are all safe and sane in these ever-changing times that we're living through. It seems to be things are changing by the day, and it's quite crazy keeping up with all of it. Everyone on this end is healthy, which is awesome, and the reason why it's been so crazy and you haven't heard from us is because April 17th my wife and I had our second daughter, and with daycares currently closed, that means we've got our 2-year-old home with us, and she runs a tight ship. She loves playtime, and she doesn't allow a lot of time to work. So I guess she's the best manager you could ever have, but it's been a struggle to keep up with the interwebs, keep up with marketing, keep up with social, and keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with all things evil. Luckily, we've still had time to pack and ship orders that have been coming in, so absolute thank you to all of the customers who are continuing to support us. It means the absolute world to us that the lights are still on over here. We're going to keep this update short and simple. What's going on? What's coming down the pipeline in evil? We've been talking with some apparel printers, and we've got some hats, t-shirts, stuff like that coming out pretty soon. Hopefully here in the next week or two we got all of our artwork done. We're just in final talks with our supplier, so hopefully that'll be ironed out really soon. We've got some coffee flavored CBD we're working with, little AM PM routine, so we're pretty stoked on that, getting that out there. Let's see, we are working on a collab with some of your favorite factory out there, some of you guys' favorite factory out there. I'm just going to leave it at that. We'll see what's to come. And we've got a 3-month ad campaign coming out with Racer X, and we're getting creative with it. We are doing something totally different with our various ad opportunities that we have that anyone else in the industry is doing. So we're going to keep it weird, we're going to keep it fun, we're going to keep it a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy watching that. That's pretty much all. I just wanted to pop in, say hey, let you guys know that everything is still good on our end. We are excited things are kind of settling in the household a little bit, finding more time to work, which is awesome. So we're excited to start ramping things up here as summer's getting into full swing. I know the spring, I don't know where you guys are at, but here in the Midwest, the weather kind of skunked our spring. Social distancing skunked our spring. So things are starting to get fun again as the weather stays warm. So I hope everyone's outside. Hope everyone's able to get outside, have a lot of fun, responsibly. Take that however you wish. And cheers, guys. Thanks for all the support. We'll talk to you soon. Later.